Hey there, buddy.
Are you broke and have no idea what you're doing with your style?
Me neither.
But hey man, I don't know you, and you don't know me. But what I do know is that the one thing that can solve all your financial and style problems is a good old pair of all
white sneakers.
Wine mildew. That is wow every time you use this.
White sneakers.
Asterisks, white.
And you can trust me on that. As you can see, I've built quite the collection, and I am also mentally stable. So there is the proof of concept. And I think that everyone needs a good pair of all white sneakers. And since this is the ultimate guide, we're just gonna cover all of them so that you know which one's best for your wardrobe. And there's quite the lot. We got short ones, we got tall ones, we got sporty ones, we got classist ones, we got off-white ones, we got off-white ones, we got off-white ones. We got a lot of ground to cover, so we're gonna start with the casual ones, the canvas ones, aka the white Vans, aka the Christian Force ones, but hey man,
You know me.
all right, starting off with the canvas ones. This one's for my cool boys out there who don't care, because who cares? Nobody cares.
Choose your fighter.
This one's super chill. Affordability is insane. Longevity's all right. They last, but since the silhouettes are timeless, you won't ever have to worry about these ones going out of style. And the spice levels, they're not so hot, but
I'll show you how to season.
personally, this is my favorite shoe in my wardrobe. I've gone my whole life wearing these, and I'm still alive.
There's your proof of concept. But hey man, you don't know me.
You don't know me. And just for all the style changes I've gone in my life, I found like white Vans or just any canvas sneaker to fit everything. But falling in line with the not caring part of this video, I really like to style these super chill and just very relaxed. Like just a drapier vibe shirt or like a baggier pair of pants to go with the aloof vibe of this canvas sneaker. Even a pair of skinnier pants for my skinny boys or a pair of shorts for my short boys, since the canvas makes the shoe's silhouette a bit slimmer. It's not so thicky with the padded sides like a sportier white shoe, but we'll get into that later. And you could even use trousers for these. Personally, they're not my favorite, but you can do whatever you want, man. I don't know you. You don't know me. They're not a bad look, but I prefer trousers with the leather pair, but we'll get into that later, baby. And with these, I don't mind beating them up. They can take it. They can take the beating. If anything, I'd rather have them beat. So what I do is I have this soil compound right here. And whenever I get a new pair of white shoes, I kind of just grab a little bit, just grab a pinch or whatever, how they say it in cooking. We were talking about seasoning. Just grab a pinch. Just grab a good pinch or however much that is. And just let him have it. Just season. Just go and season that white piece of chicken breast. Just go season that piece of white meat. You know what? Just grab a handful and just dry rub. I'm just joking. That was a joke. That was a joke. But as you can see, I do like them beat anyways, and I love wearing them all the way into the ground.
Just adds character.
I remember someone said in a video that I like to use the word character instead of dirty, and I do. I do love using the word character instead of dirty. It has character. It's a canvas shoe. Paint them with your adventures. Canvas. Like you paint on a canvas. But this shoe's pretty self-explanatory if you want to save money and be more efficient with your closet. Because I mean, you know, everyone's trying to save money right now. And if you really want to save money, I want to introduce the sponsor of this video, aka the White Vans of online shopping, aka Christian's best friend, Shop Tagger, the best thing you can do for online shopping. I've been using it for years. And whenever you're online shopping and you like an item and you're not sure, you'll get this blue boy right here. Bam, you click that, you'll get a drop-down menu, and you can save that nice boy item in a specific size that you wear it. And then you'll get an email or push notification whenever it goes back in stock. Or if you want to get notified when a price changes, bam, you got a feature for that too. I select any price change because my standards are low. I like to use the word character as dirt. And then you can use the list feature to keep your stuff organized if you want to get a good visual on a specific aesthetic you're going for, building your wardrobe, and you don't have to lose money taking L's in the mirror. You can just take a look at the list feature and be like, does this look good with the other items? Sure. Go ahead. I have a bunch of lists. I always use it. Like one of the most recent stories I have with it is like I saved these pair of Rick pants that I had on Essence. I didn't want to buy them at full price because they were just ridiculous. And then they sold out and then they came back in stock on sale. And I bought them on sale because Shop Tagger notified me and I'm wearing it right here in this video of me throwing dirt, aka character, on my white Vans. Thank you, Shop Tagger. Shop Tagger will also search the web for coupons if you let it so you know you're getting the best deal every single time. And also, we got this new cashback feature if you're on a store that is partnered with like Essence. Bam, you just hit that baby, automatic cashback whenever you buy items. You're good to go. So go sign up for Shop Tagger. Go click the link in my beautiful description. Go put your beautiful information in there, baby. Install the browser extension. I use Chrome because it's the best one. Don't argue with me. I'm the one doing the commercial, okay? And bam, you're good to go. Life's easier. You'll save a bunch of money doing this feature, and it's the white Vans of online shopping. Thank you, Shop Tagger. Coming up next, we got the sporty white shoe for our sporty boys out there who like to go fast, but also don't care, because who cares? Affordability is okay depending on the model that you're buying. I've noticed that a lot of shoes are starting to go up in price, but that's fine. Longevity is okay as well because trends change all the time, but you could definitely spice it up here, baby. Like if the canvas white sneaker's like a Camry or a Civic, you know, just a regular, reliable car, the sporty ones are just like the sport editions. You know, you got these cool little trims, maybe even the Civic Type R if you're really feeling spicy. It's just affordable, reliable, but you're still getting that little bit of edge. So for these like Air Jordans, Air Force Ones, or Yeezys, or just really any type of athletic runner, and this one looks great if you really like those athletic type beats like tech wear, that Yeezy fog look. Just like the natural cuts and features on these shoes go well with the athletic style tropes of those types of aesthetics. But also, since they're all white, you really have a lot of room to style them with. You don't got to think about color blocking too much, which is sometimes the hardest part. Just like these colorful, flashy, sporty shoes. They're cool, but you got to think about what colors you're wearing and stuff. It's a headache. For example, these turbo greens that I like to wear all the time, it's like they're not technically all white, but they're neutral enough that I can really have a lot of room to play around with my top and my bottoms. They're pretty much all white. Same thing go with these acronym Prestos. They got all the bells and whistles of a cool sporty shoe, but since they're all white, I have a lot of room to play around with my top and my bottoms, baby. It's a lot of... It's so easy. If you're into Yeezys still, we know the Yeezys are cool, but the colorways are kind of wild sometimes. Like these right here, these new ones, they're cool, but it's like you're not going to be able to wear them all the time because the colorway is kind of wild. But as for the all whites, you still maintain that sporty silhouette and that cool Yeezy look, but since they're all white, like I said, you can just style them with whatever you want. You get more wear out of them. It's a win-win, babe. Like I said, the best part of having an all-white sporty shoes, you get all these cool style tropes of an athletic trainer, but then you don't have to think about the wild color blocking that some of them come with. It's less of a headache. If you're the type of person to have a trendier, flashier, or even incoherent closet, these are your best bet. And I know a lot of people don't have a coherent closet because who does? I don't. But with white shoes, I can maintain a cool little bit of spice on my footwear while also having no trouble just throwing it into whatever outfit I was thinking of that day. And now moving up the ranks, we got the more matured, laid back, older, drinks whiskey, talks about his war crimes, the white leather sneaker, the matured bit, which I think every wardrobe could use. So I know you're thinking, Jordans and Air Force Ones are pretty much all white leather shoes. No. I'm not talking about the Chrysler 300. I'm not talking about no Mercedes C-Class. I'm talking about the Rolls and the Maybachs of the white sneaker genre. The common projects, the filling pieces, or just like really any craft Italian leather sneaker for the most part. I mean, affordability is up. These guys have their own health insurance tax code type beat. Like the longevity is crazy though. Timeless. These are never going to go out of style. They're white leather sneakers and they're going to last forever. These are going to outlive Virgil Abloh's grandkids. And there's a lot of spice if you're schmoove with it. I'll show you what I mean. You don't have to be lame. You don't have to be lame. So everyone identifies this white sneaker with that menswear, dapper, male fashion advice look, which it does look good in. You can't even lie. But you can take the best elements of this sneaker and implement them really anywhere in streetwear if you just try. Like that relaxed casual look everyone's in right now. Bam! Those are my common projects. Or like that Japanese street look that everyone's in. Bam! Those are my common projects. Or that fifth bowl of cereal look. Bam! Those are my common projects. But I think the common projects were like the first big investment I had for any sort of like peace in fashion. And not once have I felt they've gone out of style. Like, I have a pair of these off-white Air Force Ones and a pair of the Turtle Doves, which are like 4 times more, if not like 5 times more than a pair of Common Projects at the moment. And I haven't worn them in over a year because they're kind of like out of style. I mean, like, I don't get the same type of kick wearing them, but I still bust out the Common Projects every now and then just because I feel like it, and it's easy to style because they're white, gang. They're all white. They're all white. They're easy to style. Oh, I'm not saying buy a pair of Common Projects because let's just be honest, what the hell is going on here? But just a good pair of white leather sneakers is good to fall back on. And there's a million different alternatives out there that you can get that look exactly like the Common Projects. Probably not there in quality, but it's just a good trial run. You can get a good feel of what I'm talking about when I'm talking about quality and just having that leather feel. It's just a great way to start. But hey man, I don't know you and you don't know me. All I'm saying is white shoes are my favorite genre of footwear for any type of like aesthetic or wardrobe or whatever, from just casual canvas white Vans sneakers that you can wear all the freaking time, or sporty white sneakers that you can wear all the freaking time, or white leather craft Italian white leather sneakers that you can wear all the freaking time. You can dress them up or down, you really can't go wrong. So thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped change your mind and gave you perspective on how to style all white sneakers of all kinds. Just go spice them up. Also, New Respect Women coming out on October 23rd. I moved it by a week because I needed to work on some little detail with the sampling, so I needed an extra week, but it will be ready. This is the last one. The profits are being donated to RAIN.org in solidarity and support of the victims of sexual misconduct. I'm just trying my best out here, guys. I'm just trying my best. Let me try my best. Support my best. And new episode of the podcast every other Monday, bi-weekly, up until maybe the end of the year. I'm gonna go weekly, but until then, every other Monday, 6 p.m. EST. It's hilarious. Link will be in the description. At podcast on everything. Hosted with my friend Sydney. It's the best thing ever. I want everyone to hop on that early. You gotta be on that early before it blows up so that you could be the type of person to be like, hey, I was on this early, guys. You guys are just here later. I'm on this early before it blew up. Be there. That's my passion project, and I love it. Thank you to Shop Tagger for sponsoring this video. Hey man, you don't know me.